This bacon and cheddar potato gratin delivers the ultimate comfort food. Thinly layered Yukon Gold potatoes baked in a 4-inch skillet with garlic cream, bacon bits, and sharp cheddar cheese, finished with a bubbling crispy cheese top. To start, roast some garlic and fry some bacon. Cut the top of the garlic head off and place the bulb on a square of aluminum foil. Drizzle with a little olive oil, season with salt and pepper, and gather the ends of the foil to wrap it tightly. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit until golden and completely soft, about 30 minutes. When cool enough to handle, squeeze out the garlic. Then in a small bowl, mix 30 grams cream, 10 grams milk, 5 grams roasted garlic with salt and pepper. Peel and thinly slice 75 grams Yukon Gold potatoes into the bowl and toss with the cream mixture. A small plastic mandolin is the tool I like to use. Then layer the potatoes in a buttered skillet with cheddar cheese and bacon bits, finishing with bacon and cheddar on top, reserving half the cheddar cheese for a cheesy crust. Cover the skillet with a small piece of aluminum foil to cook the potatoes in their own steam, and bake in a 375 degree Fahrenheit oven until the potatoes are cooked, about 30 minutes. Remove the foil to allow the steam to escape and thicken the sauce. A small knife should have no resistance cutting through the potato. Work quickly, do not allow the skillet to cool down too much, and spread the remaining cheese on top. Then bake until the cheese is bubbling and the edges are crisp, another 10 to 15 minutes.